In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a product on Gumroad. Whether you're a first-time user or have navigated the platform before, this guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring it's smooth and hassle-free. So, let's dive right in. To begin your shopping experience on Gumroad, head over to their official website, gumroad.com. This is your go-to destination for discovering a plethora of digital products, from ebooks to software created by various talented creators. Now that you're on the website, the next step is to log into your account. You'll find the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on this button to proceed. At this point, you'll be presented with several options to sign in. The easiest way is to use your Google account. Simply click on the Google option and a window will pop up prompting you to select the Google account you'd like to use. If you don't have an account already connected, follow the on-screen instructions to log in using your Google credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your personal dashboard. From here, click on the Discover tab. This section is particularly exciting as it allows you to explore a wide range of products curated on the platform. Spend some time browsing through the various categories or check out the recommendations tailored just for you. Now it's time to search for a specific product that has caught your eye. In the search bar, type in the name or relevant keywords of the product you're interested in. Hit enter and you'll immediately see a list of options. Find the product that matches your interest and select it. By clicking on the product, you'll be taken to a detailed page where you can learn more about what you're purchasing. Read through its description and check out any additional media included, such as sample pages or demo videos. Feeling ready to purchase? Great. Click the Add to Cart button, which is usually located near the product's price. This action will place the item into your shopping cart, allowing you to either continue browsing or proceed to checkout. If you're ready to complete your purchase, navigate to your cart and review your selections. Double check that all the details are correct, ensuring you've got the right items. Then simply click on the checkout button. At checkout, you'll be required to fill in your payment details. This is when you can apply any discount codes you might have too. Once all the necessary information is filled in accurately, hit the pay button to finalize your purchase, and there you have it, your transaction is complete and your product is now ready for you to enjoy. It's always rewarding to support creators by purchasing their products on Gumroad. Thanks for following along with this easy tutorial, and happy shopping!